Stop whatever you're doing right now. In the next 8 minutes, you will take a fitness age test. 5 simple challenges, at home.
No equipment that will tell you something your birthday never can.
Get ready. Test number 1 starts in about 60 seconds. Here is how this works. There are 5 tests. Each test is scored on a scale of 1 to 3 points. 3 points means you performed at the level of someone significantly younger than your chronological age. 2 points means you are right where most people your age are. 1 point means this is an area where your body is aging faster than it needs to, and we are going to fix that. At the end, you add up your points, and I'll tell you your fitness age. A few important notes before we begin. You need to be safe. Do not attempt anything that causes sharp pain. Do each test on a flat, clear floor. Have a sturdy chair or wall nearby for tests involving balance. And if you have any injury or medical condition that limits movement, simply score yourself a 1 for that test and move on. This is not about performance. It's about honest self-assessment. The more accurately you score yourself, the more useful your result will be. Ready? Let's start with Test 1. Test 1 measures your balance. And I want you to know upfront balance is one of the most powerful predictors of biological age that exists. Research published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that adults who could not balance on one leg for 10 seconds had nearly double the risk of death from any cause within the following decade. Here is the test. Stand near a wall or chair, but do not hold on. How to do it? Stand on one foot. Lift the other foot off the ground just slightly. Your arms stay at your sides. Start timing now. Hold as long as you can without touching down, grabbing the wall, or hopping. Scoring: 3 points. You held for 20 seconds or more. Fitness age: under 52 points. You held for 10 to 19 seconds. Fitness age: 50s to early 60s, 1 point. You held for less than 10 seconds. Fitness age: 65 plus. Write your score down or keep it in your head. And please do not feel discouraged if you scored a 1. Balance is one of the most trainable physical qualities there is. By the end of this video, I'll tell you exactly how to improve it fast. Test 2 is the 30-second chair. Stand test, and this one is used by geriatric specialists, physical therapists, and sports scientists worldwide to measure lower body strength and functional power in older adults. It directly predicts your ability to get off the floor after a fall, your risk of future injury, and your overall independence as you age. The numbers might surprise you. How to do it? Sit on the edge of a firm chair. Feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Cross your arms over your chest. No pushing off with your hands. When you start your timer, stand up fully, then sit back down. That is 1 repetition. Do as many full repetitions as you can in exactly 30 seconds. Pause the video now, complete your 30 seconds, and come back with your count. Scoring: averages for adults 60 to 69. 3 points, 16 or more reps. Fitness age: under 55, elite level, 2 points. 12 to 15 reps. Fitness age: 55 to 65. On track, 1 point. Fewer than 12 reps. Fitness age: 65 plus needs work. If you scored under 50, then adjust the scoring slightly. Your baseline targets are higher, so add 2 reps to each threshold. Test 3 measures flexibility, specifically hamstring and lower back flexibility. And this one matters more than most people realize. Researchers at the University of North Texas found that poor lower body flexibility in middle-aged adults was strongly associated with arterial stiffness, meaning your flexibility is literally connected to your cardiovascular health. How to do it? Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight out in front of you. If the floor is uncomfortable, use a yoga mat or folded blanket. Flex your feet so your toes point toward the ceiling. Sit tall, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly reach both hands forward along your legs as far as you comfortably can. Hold for 2 seconds at your furthest point. Do not bounce. No forcing. Notice where your fingertips reach. Scoring: 3 points. Fingertips reach past your toes. Exceptional flexibility for your age. 2 points. Fingertips reach your ankles or the top of your foot. Average range 1 point. Fingertips only reach your shins or knees. Significant tightness present. If you scored a 1 or 2, the good news is that hamstring flexibility responds faster to consistent stretching than almost any other physical quality. 10 minutes a day of targeted stretching can produce measurable improvement within 2 weeks. Test 4 is going to get your heart rate up, and that is exactly the point. This is the 2-minute step test, and it measures cardiovascular fitness, the single most important predictor of longevity in all of the scientific literature. A study from the Cooper Institute tracking over 100,000 adults found that cardiovascular fitness was a stronger predictor of life expectancy than smoking, obesity, diabetes, or high blood pressure. It is the most powerful health metric you can measure, and most people have no idea where they stand. Now you will. How to do it? Stand in a clear space. You are going to march in place, lifting your knees as high as you can. Your target: lift each knee to hip height, roughly the midpoint between your hip bone and your kneecap. Place a hand at that height as your reference marker. For 2 full minutes, march as quickly as you can while maintaining that knee height. Only count a step when your knee reaches the target. If you need to slow down, but keep moving. Do not stop entirely. Pause the video, complete your 2 minutes, and come back with your step count. Scoring for adults 60 to 69. 3 points, 91 or more steps. Cardiovascular fitness age, under 55, 2 points, 65 to 90 steps. Cardiovascular fitness age, 55 to 65, 1 point, fewer than 65 steps. Cardiovascular fitness age, 65 plus. Take a moment to catch your breath. You earned it. This is the test most people underestimate and the result that shocks them most. Because cardiovascular fitness is invisible in daily life right up until the moment it matters most. Test 5 is the rising test, also known as the SRT. The test is simple in concept, getting from standing to sitting on the floor and then back to standing, using as little support as possible. But it reveals an extraordinary amount about your combined strength, flexibility, balance, and coordination. How to do it? Stand in a clear space on a non-slip surface. A yoga mat is ideal. Without holding anything for support, lower yourself down to sit cross-legged on the floor. Then, without holding anything, stand back up to fully upright. This is important. Scoring: 3 points. SRT score of 8 to 10. Exceptional functional mobility, 2 points. SRT score of 5 to 7 average for your age group. 1 point. SRT score of 4 or below. This is the area to prioritize immediately. If getting to the floor felt genuinely unsafe, please do not attempt it. Score yourself honestly based on what you observed when you tried partially, or score a 1 and make building toward this your first fitness goal. Here is the most important thing I want you to take away from this video. Fitness age is not a verdict. It is a starting point. The only thing that separates the person who ends up physically younger at 70 than they were at 60 from everyone else is not genetics, not luck, and not money. It is consistency. And consistency starts with one thing: knowing where you are, which you now do. If you want to see how much your fitness age changes, bookmark this video and retest in 30 days. I guarantee you will surprise yourself. Now I need a favor. Drop your score in the comments right now. Just the number. Tell me what you got. I want to see it. I read every single comment, and your score helps other people in this community feel less alone with theirs. If this test gave you something real today, please hit the like button. 1 second of your time puts this video in front of thousands more people who need it. Subscribe if you are not already. Every week we publish no-equipment, science-backed fitness content designed specifically for adults over 40. No fluff, no equipment. Just what works. I'll see you in the next one. Keep going.